Sometime I really feel bad when I get these messages that I have taken this bootcamp for 8 weeks, or I have taken this blockchain development bootcamp for 3 months. I'm learning smart contract auditing from this particular bootcamp, from this particular course. But after taking the course, what I have realized that whatever money I have paid for the course, I feel that it's totally ordinary. So in this video, I will give you my personal point of view that how I look at all those bootcamp which are available right now, and which they promise that once you complete the bootcamp, you will get 100% job in the industry. And when I look at the course, look at the module, what I will find that why would anybody pay such amount for these particular modules, these particular things which they are teaching, which you can easily able to get for absolutely free. So I will share my point of view. I don't have anything personal with all those developer who create bootcamp, launch their course. I don't have anything personal, but I'm going to share my point of view that over the period what I have learned. I'm also in the field of marketing, so I know that how course launch exactly work, how you do the marketing, how you create awareness, how you create retargeting, all of the things. So I know, and I've been in all of the situation. So I can share my personal point of view that what exactly you have to do if you're a completely beginner. I can see the courses for the blockchain developer. Like the amount they're charging is absolutely insane. I came across a site. I can't remember the name of the site, but I look at the blockchain development complete course, and in that, what I have found that they are teaching the basics to advanced. This is what they have given in the title. But when I went through the modules which they are explaining, they are talking about the salty, which you can easily able to find it for absolutely free in the YouTube. If you can follow my, or you can follow any channel, there is already there. They're teaching about the hard hat, they're teaching about truffle, they're talking about the libraries, or they're talking about the blockchain, Ethereum. And at the end, what I have noticed that they're building a very basic project. So why would anybody will pay such a amount for learning a blockchain development from those courses, which you can easily able to get absolutely free if you have the right roadmap, if you know that what you have to exactly follow. So the one thing I really want to highlight to all of you guys, don't be in this trap. Don't take any blockchain course right now, because right now course industry is on top. They are charging a lot of money in the name of blockchain development. The one thing, and I'm really proud of the course I have taken on the JavaScript from the Jonathan. Like that one is one of my best decision which I have ever taken when it's come to learning the programming language. That I gave my 100% in the JavaScript, and because of that, everything becomes very clear to me. So whether you talk about the smart contract development, it's absolutely clear. So I gave my 100%. I gave my 4 month in that particular course on Udemy, which I follow from Jonathan. That taught me everything, and that's the only course I have taken. And trust me, from India, like I paid only $450 for that course. $450, but that particular course changed my entire career. If you talk about my MBA, like I paid close to 15 lakhs in my MBA. So the college fees was different. Then I was staying in the hostel, so there was a lot of expenses. So again, I want to tell you that don't take any blockchain development course, no matter what they are talking about. The only thing I want you to take that whenever anybody's launching any course, try to look at that what project they are including. No one's care about the theoretical concept, that whether you are knowing about the blockchain, how it's work, how the smart contract get executed on the chain. These are the things are important. But unless or until if you don't build any project, no one's going to believe you that you know actually like dApp development. So you have to build project. So one thing I would encourage you that look at the project, that what project they are including in their course. If they have project which is worth and this will teach you something new, they are building industry ready project, then you can take that. Otherwise, don't spend money for bootcamp taking simply the cream. So what happens generally in the bootcamp, they will teach you the layer, they will teach you the set of patterns, that these are the things you have to cover. But when you will start building actual project, you will find that how would I build this particular logic, how would I solve this particular problem. Okay, I hope you guys can understand, because when I build the project, many of you guys have encountered a lot of error, and you guys can ask, after showing me all of those things, you still face the problem. When you try to do a little bit modification, or whenever any package version get changes, you face a lot of problem. So just try to focus on the project. Build as many project as you want, build as many project as you want. When you will build project, you will have a clear understanding that how you are utilizing it. Again, I'm telling you, build project. That's the only way to get job internship. If anybody's claiming you that they can give you the job after completing the boot camp, they are lying. They are lying. We are in the field of the marketing, so we know how things work as a marketer. You will find that a lot of developers are making a lot of claims that they are making this much amount, but still they are selling shitty course. So you have to be smart enough. You have to be smart enough to understand that where you are spending your money. Never ever trust anyone. Try to do your own research before you take your step and make your decision. Okay, so right now don't try to be focused on the courses. Try to focus on the project. When you will build the project, it is the fastest way to get into the industry. So when you will build a project, for example, NFT marketplace, Uniswap clone, or real estate dApp, or a ERC20 token staking platform, or you can build like a DAO. So when you will build this project, because these are the most common project you will find in the blockchain, these are the most common project you will find. Whether you will go to the real estate, whether you will go to the medical history, whether you go to the event management, these are the most common project you will find. So build these project. When you will build this project, you will make yourself relevant with the industry, and you can show when you will go for the interview, when you will go for the job, you can show that this is what I have built and I know how to build this kind of project. So that's the thing you have to focus on. That's the thing you have to focus on. Don't spend much time on learning about the blockchain, Ethereum. I can see that a lot of you are saying that I want to learn about Ethereum, I want to learn about the blockchain. What you will do with that? Automatically this thing will come. As you learn, as you go ahead, as you will build more project, you will understand everything, that how blockchain interact, how contract get executed. So you have to build project. So first I would say that don't learn anything. Start building a project. Straight away building project. Take a simple project and try to build that. Once you complete that project, after that try to understand that how you have built that particular project, and try to understand every single variable you have utilized in that, and try to create a similar function using a different type of logic, because one logic can be written in multiple way. Like there is a number of way which you can use to write and build the same functionality. So try to rebuild with 2 and 3 different ways. In that way it will stick in your head. Okay, this kind of application I can build, and I can define the function just like this. So understand the nature of the application, because right now if you look, we have close to 4 or 5 variation of project. Okay, when it's come to application, you will have 4 or 5 different type of applications. In all of these applications you will find the similar functionalities, similar data structures, similar data types, simpler functions. So the things will get repeated over and over again when you will start building the project. The only thing I want to highlight here, that don't spend your hard-earned money. Don't try to be in this trap for taking a boot camp. They are launching their course, they want to make money. If they are really making money, then why they are doing this shit? I know still a lot of developers, they are doing absolutely for free. Everything is for free, and they're giving actual real value. Okay, so spend your money in only those courses where they are building project. If they are building project, and if you find that that project is relevant with you, that project will teach you something in launching your own business or starting as a freelancer, so you can show that particular project in the industry to your client to get a freelancing project, then go with that. Go with that. Otherwise don't try to spend money learning about the MetaMask. Why you have to pay money for the MetaMask? It's there. Look at the docs, which is already there in the Europe. You can simply watch the video. You can easily able to see all the methods and just use it in the project. So in the name of MetaMask, in the name of blockchain, in the name of salty vulnerability management, you don't need to spend money for that. Okay, so don't try to be in this trap. Again and again I'm telling you, don't try to be in this particular trap that if you take the course it's going to help you. No, nothing like that. If that's the case, everyone would be a successful developer. If that's the case, then everybody is earning a lot of money, they're getting job, they're getting internship. So the reason why you're not getting job, the reason why you're not good enough and not getting any project, because you haven't built a project. That's very simple. So build project, build 4 to 5 project. Once you will build 4 to 5 project, that will teach you everything, and you are ready to join any organization to build any particular project or work on any particular project. So try to be focused in this area. Try to understand that taking course will not help you at all. It will not give you any guarantee. Whether you go to IIT or any renowned college, if you don't work on your skill, if you don't understand and build project enough, not going to help you at all. So the only thing I want to highlight here is that build at least 5 projects. Spend 2 months of your time building project and understand every single thing which are there in the project, that why this particular variable exists in this particular function, how I can optimize that function even in more secure way, how I can reduce the cost of the user when they call the contract. So understand every single thing. So hope this video helped you a lot to understand you that what exactly you have to do. And again, I'm telling you, don't be in this trap that if you take the course, it's going to help you and give you a high paying job or a high paying career. No, nothing like that. So with that, I'm ending this video, and I hope you guys have got this idea that how you have to do the self analytical part, that whether it's good or bad. So that's the only thing from my end. Hope you guys have liked this video. If you still have any confusion, any doubt, or if you have any questions regarding anything, do let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help you in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.